Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Value Venture. Today, let us understand the difference between an approved project facility and construction finance. These two are commonly confused because both relate to real estate projects and bank lending, but their borrowers, purposes, repayment sources, and security are all different. Let's understand clearly. Let's start with the approved project facility. Under APF, the lender approves a real estate project so that individual buyers purchasing units in it may be considered for home loans. Here, the borrower is normally the individual home buyer. The loan is used to purchase one identified apartment, villa, or row house, and the repayment comes from the buyer's salary, professional income, or business income. The security is normally the specific unit purchased, along with its undivided share of land. Now let's look at construction finance. This is a project-specific loan provided directly to the developer, promoter, or project-owning entity. Its purpose is to fund the construction and completion of the project or an identified phase of it. Here, the lender examines the project cost, the promoter's contribution, the sales potential, customer collections, the balance cost, cash flow, and repayment potential. The repayment is expected mainly from project sales, customer receivables, and other project cash flows. And the security may include the project land, development rights, the developer's inventory, project receivables, escrowed collections, or guarantees. Here's something important. A developer may obtain construction finance from one lender and APF approval from several other lenders. For example, Bank A may finance the construction of the project, while Banks B, C, and D approve the same project under APF so that their customers can take home loans to buy units. So APF approval does not automatically mean that the same lender is financing the developer's construction, and construction finance from a bank does not automatically mean every individual homebuyer will get a loan from that same bank. So the key difference is this: APF is primarily for enabling home loans to individual purchasers. Construction finance is primarily for funding the developer's project. One helps buyers buy, the other helps the builder build. Same project, but two completely different kinds of lending with different borrowers and different repayment sources. To summarize, under APF, the lender evaluates the project to support individual home loan proposals. Under construction finance, the lender directly finances the developer for project development and completion. Understand this difference, and you'll never confuse the two again. Please subscribe to Value Venture for more videos on home loans, project finance, and property valuation. Thank you for watching.